again and welcome back to my channel. Now if you are a regular viewer on the channel, you know I am a big fan of the Evolution Rage 5S table saw, and a previous video I've done this, which was hints and tips on how to get the thing set up tuned properly, is by far my most successful video. There are plenty things I like about this table saw. I like the actual fence function, it's really rock solid as you're pushing the pieces of timber through. I like the sliding table function on the side, which is usually a feature on much more expensive panel saws. I love the actual portability of the thing. There's a guy just working with one working arm, if you like. I can have the thing rolled along, popped up and set up ready to go in seconds. However, there is one niggle that really I'm not particularly keen on, and that is the location and style of the on-off switch. Now this is located just under the front of the table, just around about just below waist height. Now there's a couple of reasons I'm not too keen on this. Firstly, when you actually have finished pushing your piece through and you have to kind of duck down to find where the off switch is, there is a danger of kind of particles, a bits of sawdust or something blowing back into your face. And if you haven't got the correct PPE on because you forgot at the time, then obviously there's a run of risk of getting little bits of sawdust and stuff into your eyes, which is particularly not very pleasant. And then secondly, I don't like the style of the switch because it isn't particularly a kill switch. Now I don't want to go all mad health and safety, but you know, the table saw is the most dangerous piece of machinery that any woodworker or hobbyist maker uses. And in an event of an emergency that you had to get this switched off straight away, fiddling around for a little red off button underneath the table round about waist height isn't a perfect solution. Now I've watched some of my other fellow YouTube makers who have the DeWalt or the Milwaukee, and they have a really nice like kind of aftermarket or like a paddle, sort of a big wooden paddle, and I considered actually making one for the Evolution. However, I thought I'd have a little look round if there's any third market sellers out there who are actually producing one, and I came across Stu at SP Woodworking on Etsy, and I'll leave a link in the description. And Stu sells these, which immediately caught my attention, all right, which is a kill switch specifically for the Evolution Rage 5S. So let's get it actually fitted on, give it a little bit of a run through and see what it's like. Well, I think that was a pretty effective demonstration, wasn't it? This is a fantastic accessory for this table saw, right? And in the interest of transparency, I wasn't gifted this, I wasn't sent this. I bought this with my own money off Stu's Etsy channel. I say again, I'll leave a link in the description. It's a brilliant accessory. You don't need to be looking, you just dab your hand under or just nudge it with your knee, and the table saw is killed, switched off. I think it retailed was £12 in the UK plus shipping, and for take a 12 quid, fantastic accessory, great bit of safety kit as well. Really would recommend anyone who wants one of these table saws to get their hands on one of these. As ever, everyone, take care, look after yourselves, back to the workshop build, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.